You really didn't think it through, did you?
Well, I did kinda. I didn't expect you to be like weird
Okay, there we
about
go.
it.
I've sorted mine.
Okay.
I'm going up to my lane, so I'm up here.
Oh, fuck.
I'm just watching this. I'm watching the chaos ensue.
I think one roll disappeared. What the fuck? Where's the jungler?
The jungler.
Under. There he is.
He's under the AD carry.
And who's the purple giraffe?
Oh, fuck off!
That's ancient. The purple giraffe is ancient, for sure. Look at ancient go.
I'm Yoto Tomo.
Can you stop picking?
It's ancient. Oh, Yototo left.
I didn't leave.
Well,
It kicked me off. Wait, I'm waiting for it to happen.
Can you
Dan?
sit?
be
Yes.
quiet. No, not you, Dan. Cockhead, Dan.
Oh, yeah. Shut up.
I just realised that you're all really quiet and I don't know why.
Let's see.
Can I be blue? No.
I get to be purple?
Well, Noxiel's
Maybe.
more of a purple colour. Not.
I'm
gold.
purple, bitch.
Okay, cool. White's fine. White's the beatest.
God.
Doesn't it just make you want to hurt yourself sometimes, Dan?
Yes. Okay.
We're about to see Dan's paint skills at work right here, guys.
On Windows
Yeah.
98, man.
Okay,
Oh, there I am. I look so pretty.
Dan?
I gotta draw
Yes.
a face.
I'll be your red side.
What in the world are you doing?
Blue or blue side.
You do not want to know, Ancient.
It's the dildo.
We're making rainbows.
But he's
I don't
actually
shoot rainbows. Fuck off.
Yeah,
Who's
Daniel.
yellow?
AD carry.
The
There's a
yellow
key-
is mid laner, the dark
No.
yellow is me.
No.
Where's
you-
the support?
It's called
Support.
orange support.
Fine, I'm not even there. I'm not
Holy
even.
shit.
Daniel, just go on the rift kit, but don't let us on, so you can
Top.
Yeah.
stop it.
Dan,
Oh, like
just
a
go
bunch
back
fucking
on that
sick
You could
Right.
use a
website
better colour for this.
and do it whilst we're not
Oh.
on there.
Just
Make,
do it!
make your own server thing.
Just
No.
do it!
This isn't going well.
I hate my life so much
I
right now.
can't see what they say.
Are you blind?
Can
I
you-
can't really see what they say.
Can you please shut up for
I
like...
can legitimately barely see what they say.
Oh, fucking god.
Just do it!
Okay. Fuck this.
I hate all of you right now.